Hello everybody. So I decided that I might try an advent calendar this year. So we went to Archie's Paints, who you can find on Etsy UK. Located in Wokingham, England, they're a small handmade metallic watercolour business. They carefully select the best pigments and create the best colour in-house in tiny batches to ensure the paint pan is made with love. So if you want to find them, it's Archie's Paints on Etsy. There'll be a link in the description. So I have opened it, but I haven't gone through the items. So here we are, beautiful little box. We can see that it's a Christmas post and it came well in time, a good 2 weeks early. So yes, I've been bursting to open this. So here we go. So it's called the Countdown to Christmas selection. As you can see, there's a couple of the Archie's Paints stickers just there. I'm actually going to cut these open rather than try to peel them off with it being tissue paper. So it's gorgeous sky blue or ice blue, depending how you want to describe it, tissue paper, giving you that wintry feel. Joined in by the little tinsel we've brought to the occasion. So here we go, guys. Let's have a see what we've got. Cracked out a little spiced orange candle as well for you all. So here we are. We've first of all got a little instruction note. Firstly, thank you so much for purchasing one of our lovely Countdown to Christmas Advent Countdown. It means everything to us at Archie's Paint. Swatch card. All orders have been separately wrapped swatch card with the names of the corresponding dates on it. This swatch card contains mild spoilers and names which might give away paint colours in advance. Open whenever you fancy, but this is your spoiler warning. Dot card setup. The dot card is a 5x5 with the top row having numbers 1 to 5 and the bottom with numbers 21 to 25, obviously, seeing as it's an advent calendar. Each piece of washi tape is recyclable. Please peel each tape gently and slowly from a corner. If the tape lifts up before you need to, gently press it back in place, because we don't want any spoilers, do we, guys? Paint care. Add a drop of water to the top of each dot and leave to activate for a minimum of 2 minutes. Give a mix before painting away. Allow to dry fully before storing away. If water spills, use a paper cloth to absorb any extra water. Sharing on social media. We ask you to keep the colours to yourself if you open the colours before the day. However, we would love you to see your masterpieces on the day of each colour. Please upload them to social media and tag us. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out. We hope you love this countdown as much as we do. Kaylee and Archie's Paints. Right, so here's a little business card, tells you more about the company. For best results, add a few drops of water, wait for 2 to 3 minutes and paint away. Due to the ingredients, the paints may stick to the wrapper. Please refrigerate for 15 minutes before opening to prevent this from happening. Obviously, I've not done that, but I will be sticking it in the fridge after this video. That'd be me, that'd be my real name just there, so don't tell anybody if they didn't know already. So we've got a gorgeous little Christmas card there with a squirrel and a robin with the presents. Thank you so much for ordering the Countdown to Christmas. We wish you, your family and all your loved ones a very magical Christmas and a beautiful new year full of shimmer and sparkle. Kaylee and Archie. Countdown to Christmas. Right, so this looks like the dot card. This will be our swatch card. This is why you should read things. So I just get all excited, see tape and want to turn it over and open it. You can probably tell that this is my first ever online unboxing. Normally I just rip into it and get all over excited. So here we go. Hope it's alright for you guys. Open gently, it says. We are opening very gently. I'm being very patient right now. Right, so this may give you a few spoilers because it does have the names on. So I'm only going to give you a really quick look. But there we are. There is the little snowman swatch card. We'll be filling this in day by day, so I'm not going to give it away to you. Alright, keep your eye out for that one. So this one is our dot card. We have floof in the bottom here, and I can see we've got a few. We've got a sweetie, a little Chubba Chups lolly, and we've got a few little extra dots, I think. So let's have a look what we've got here before we go into the countdown to Christmas. So it looks like we've got 4 extra dots. So we've got Ilara, Vega, Phoenix, and Karina. And again, here we are with the tape. Let's just make sure there's nothing else sneaking about in there. Nope. So I'm going to close that over and just lift that out to the side. So here we are. We're down to the dot card. I love this. I love this logo. So cute. Right, so we've got to open gently again. So let's just peel these tapes away. This tape's really pretty. It's got like Christmas fairies and reindeers and Christmas trees. It's very cute. Right, so here we go, guys. Oh, upside down. Let's turn it round. Oh my god, look how cute that is. Oh. Oops, setting fire. We'll leave that in. We'll leave that in. There's reasons why you have to learn these things, guys. Do not put paper over the top of open flames. Good grief. That's because I was getting all obsessed over this. Look how pretty this is. Look at that. All those little washi tapes, Christmas washes with the little gingerbread man. That's the same one. Look, it's got little cute Christmas fairies and reindeers, penguins, Christmas trees. That's gorgeous. Right, so there we have it, guys. 25 little dots all hiding underneath, all covered over, excitedly waiting. We've got the swatch card, and I'm told this is on watercolour paper. It does look like it is. Some cold press by the looks of it, so we'll pop that to one side so we don't give anything away. It smells very Christmassy in here after we've just had that little fire, everybody. You can't take me anywhere. What can we do? So there's the business card. If anybody wants to grab the details, like I say, everything will be in the box below. We've got a beautiful little Christmas card, a little Chubba Chups lolly, the 4 extra dots, and the surprises. So join me on the day of each dot to see the swatches jumping onto the swatch card. I hope you're as excited as I am. I can't wait. Hope to see you there. You know what you need to do. Find something that makes you smile. And as always, be happy.